How to delete your Instagram edits account. Now you don't actually delete your Instagram edits account because edits account actually comes directly from your Instagram account. So if you want to delete your Instagram edits account, you have to delete your Instagram account itself. Once you have synced it, there is no going back to not syncing it. So to delete your Instagram account, if that is what you want, then you can open Instagram and come to your profile page. Tap on the three lines icon located from the top right hand side, and from the top you can go to Account Center. Then you can scroll down and tap on Manage Account, and from Manage Account you can tap on Manage next to the Instagram account, select Deactivation or Deletion, and from here select the option called Delete Account and tap on Continue. Then after that, you'll see everything that will be deleted. Then tap on Continue and select any of the reason and tap on Continue, and finally tap on the Continue button over here to begin the deletion process. Only deleting your Instagram account will delete your Instagram edits account. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.